In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Hootsuite paid subscription. Whether you've decided to switch platforms or no longer need the services, canceling a trial on Hootsuite is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To start, make sure you're logged into your Hootsuite account, open your preferred web browser, and navigate to the Hootsuite login page. Once there, log in using the credentials associated with the account you wish to cancel. It's important to ensure you're accessing the correct account, especially if you manage multiple ones, to avoid canceling the wrong subscription. Next, you'll need to access the account settings. Look to the top right corner of your Hootsuite dashboard where you'll find your profile icon. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, select Account and Settings, or simply Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now let's focus on the billing section. On the left-hand side of this page, you'll notice a menu. Click on Billing and Plans. This section displays your current subscription details, including plan information, whether you're on a trial, and renewal specifics. The following step is critical: canceling the trial itself. In the billing section, you should see options such as Cancel Plan or End Trial. Click on this option, and Hootsuite will guide you through a few prompts. These prompts typically involve confirming your decision to cancel and possibly providing feedback on your experience. While giving feedback is optional, it can be helpful for the service to improve. Once you've completed these steps, you'll still maintain access to your account until the trial officially concludes. This means you can continue to utilize Hootsuite's features until the end period, giving you a buffer to move your data or make alternative arrangements. To ensure everything is finalized, check your email. Hootsuite will send a confirmation email to verify that your cancellation has been processed. Additionally, revisit the Billing and Plans section to see if the status has been updated to reflect the cancellation. Lastly, if you're looking to keep using Hootsuite without incurring costs, consider downgrading to their free plan. To do this, click Switch Plan within the Billing section, then choose the free plan and confirm your choice. Although this plan offers limited access, it retains basic functionalities such as posting and monitoring social accounts. And there you